Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Listeners, today again we have to face higher opening for our markets. Singapore Nifty is trading almost 85 points higher as compared to its previous close. In fact, when the market opened, it was trading 150 points higher, but now it is losing its gain. It is mainly because of US stock futures have again started trading into red. Asian markets are coming off from the highs, and if we go through with other key factors, then 10-year bond yield is around 2.90, which is positive, but dollar index is still trading above the mark of 104. Crude oil is around 110, and our currency, Indian currency, is depreciating to the newer level. It was around 77.25 when it closed. Now if we go through with our markets, then on Friday again we saw a deep cut in the second half. The market was trading around 16,000, 16,050. From there all the way it closed at 15,780. In fact, during the day the Nifty was down and very close to the previous low of 15,730, but from there it recovered and closed at 15,780. Now today what is important is whether the Nifty sustains above the mark of 15,700 or not. Below 15,700 we can expect further more weakness to 15,650, which was the lowest level of the Nifty since October 2021. So if we go through with last few months overall trading activity of the Nifty, then the market was between the range of 18,600 650 on the higher side and 15,700 650 on the downside. So today, in case if we see the market is breaking the level of 15,650, then we can expect further more weakness to the levels of 15,500 or 450 levels, where the market is having next crucial support level. Now on the other side, 15,900 would act as major resistance, and above that we can expect further more short covering towards 16,000 or maybe 16,100. US markets are recovering from lower levels since last 2 days. In fact, most of the US indices are very close to their important support areas, long-term support areas. And whenever there was like some weakness in last 2 days, we saw some recovery, and finally they managed to close at the highest point of the day. So S&P 500, Nasdaq as well as Dow Jones all are trading at their important crucial supports, and if we see further more sustenance for next few days, then we can expect one specific rally in the market. Finally, if we go through with Bank Nifty and other indices, then Bank Nifty was also down on Friday. In fact, it closed below the level of Thursday's session, and the next level to watch out for would be 33,000, and after that 32,500. In fact, Bank Nifty is finding a lot of difficulties to sustain at higher levels, and it is again mainly because of FI's consistent selling in the market. On Friday also they sold more than 3,100 crores, and due to this selling we are seeing weakness in financials as well as in technology companies. Technology stocks have also fallen to the lowest levels on Friday, but most of them are very close to their long-term support levels, and that's the reason we should be buyer in technology companies with a medium to long-term view. For financials we need to be selective, as most of them have again broken their important support areas and they are trading below their important levels for the week or for the month. So we may see further more weakness for Bank Nifty, but there also we are expecting 32,000 should act as very good support, and around those levels we should be buyer with a medium to long term view. Friends, for the day the strategy should be to look for adding some position if we see the market is holding well above the mark of 15,900. Otherwise it is better to stay away and to take some short bets if the market breaks the levels of 15,650. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in and have a great day to all of you.